Hi, my name is Alina Khanaeva and I'm the co-founder of Eddytec. Eddytec is a spin-out of the University of Amsterdam and the University of Applied Sciences. At Eddytec, our mission is to make defect detection in carbon fiber composites modern, simple and affordable by using eddy currents. Performance, durability and sustainability of these complex materials is highly dependent on the quality. Thus, it is critical to monitor the quality during production and usage. A fast, automated and reliable method, such as developed by Eddytec, will allow for less waste during production of carbon fiber composites and for reduction in maintenance time in aerospace and automotive industries, for example. Our vision is the world in which we use our resources in the most efficient manner and extend the lifetime of parts and products by easily and reliably assessing their integrity. We're looking for industry partners to validate our technology, so please get in touch to modernize defect detection together with us.